Today we're making tie-dye shirts. First you put water and then you cover it and then you stir it and then what color you want to pick and then double gloves and then do that. A little bit big.
These are too big for him.
That one did this one.
No, I think the swirl, that is a good one. That is a really, really good idea.
Girl one.
Swirl.
Girl.
What colors do you want to make your shirt?
Blue and red.
Why blue and red?
I like blue and red.
What's your favorite color?
Yeah.
That-
This the shirt. I'm tie-dye.
Nice. What is the bear doing?
Flossing. Look at all these colors. Look at one I shoot. This one. No. Red and blue. You put the water in the dye.
All the way up to the line.
All the way up to the line. And then you shake it. Can I shake it? And then you shake it. Look what happened now.
The other color.
Now can I shake it?
You shake it. But shake it and dance. Shake it and dance. Shake it and dance.
Done. Done.
And then grab it. We're gonna do the swirl.
Oh, hit him and tickle him. Good job.
Use your other hand to push it.
But you're making people go.
Good job.
And then put the rubber band on it. Take those if you want for a little bit. That.
And the bear. And the leg.
Good job.
Now you do it.
Okay.
The red gum. The rubber bands are on. You do the dye.
Red.
Oh.
What happened?
Uh-oh.
What does it say?
Kuma la casa.
It means no worries.
No worries.
For the rest of your day.
It's a
Look
problem.
what happened now.
It's a problem-free
Philosophy.
philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Kula Atava. It means no worries.
Focus, focus. Oh, oh, oh.
Too much.
That's what happens when you don't wear gloves and you do tie-dye.
I'm gonna do a toilet trick for my baby sister.
I know.
Look at that shirt. It's making fluffy. Victor said, "Good on, Hala." No worry. Thanks for watching. Bye.